Everybody can relate to friends and friendship because if you're on a total loser, you have friends, either from school, Discord, sports, I don't know, fucking from parties, everywhere. You just have friends. Believe it or not, the friendship is totally misunderstood. If you understand the real definition, the definition of a true friend, you will thank yourself so fucking much. You will save so much energy, you will save so much time. And many people do this mistake that they think they have true friends, they have the true relationships, and they consider those people as someone they can trust, they can bet, they can rely on, and then they are disappointed. About 2 years ago, I was in fucking depression, after a heartbreak, the classic depression. And at this time, I met a girl that was going through similar problems, I was trying to help her, and she was trying to help me in overcoming this heartbreak, this depression, sad moods, etc. We were somewhat like psychologists to each other, we were helping each other, overcoming the heartbreak, the depression, and the depression was the reason that we got together. And so after, I don't know, a year, the depression was gone. We were just talking less and less, and the connection wasn't really there, Neither do I or she was in the depression, so our role of psychologist wasn't needed, and our relationship just disappeared. And maybe you were in this situation, not maybe in this depression thing, but you just knew some friend, and then after some time, it was like you don't know the friend anymore, you don't understand them, you don't have anything to talk about, and you just don't have that much great time as you used to be. And this is something I found out after splitting up with my best female friend, I was talking about. It is a really, really common thing and really common mistake that I know you are fucking doing. And the biggest mistake is that you think you have friend, but in reality, you just like the drug that you have in common with that friend. And now, what is the drug? The drug is the thing that got you together, and the drug may be video games, the drug may be alcohol, drinking buddies, fucking sports, you have friends in your football, basketball team, anything, or school, how many classmates are actually your true friends? Maybe two. Many people consider those people as their friends because they just share the same drug, the same classroom, the same school. And that's the same with video games. Maybe you have friends on Discord, you were talking with that person because you play some video games, and so you have great time with them, you're laughing, you have deep talks on the Discord, you're laughing, crying, anything. And so you consider those people as your friends because you are having a great time. Or alcohol, you're going to parties, you fucking create memories. Have you ever stopped on this and just think about what is a fucking true relationship? A true friendship? What is a actually friendship that you can bet on, that you can trust? It's not only about fun, isn't it? Like, friendship is not about fun, Friendship is about trust. It's about how the person care about you, how really they want to help you, The friendship isn't only about fun. It's about a true relationship that you want to grow together through the fun, through the support, through the trust, etc. So I want you to pick one friend that you're thinking about this whole video, and that is probably the reason why you've clicked on this video, because you don't know if the friend is actually the real friend. And remove that drug. Remove the video games, remove the alcohol, remove the school, remove your sport. Would you still be friends? Would you still be friends with a person if you can't go on Discord and play video games anymore? If you can go on parties and can drink alcohol? Would they still be your friends? Would it still be good? Would it still be a great time with them? Can you trust them? Can you tell them the secret? You're probably right now denying this, that, I have true friends, and my Discord guy is, true G, my boys, Think twice, bro. Like, since I've stopped playing video games, biggest friends weren't that big anymore. My best female friend weren't a best female friend because I got out of depression, the thing that brought us together. And also she was the person, and also the boys, that I was sharing the darkest secrets, and I've put the most trust in them. And still, after I've removed the drug from our relationship, it just died. So please don't swap the entertainment buddies for your true friends that you can trust, that you can bet on, that you can fucking tell them everything. Yes, you can tell everything to your entertainment buddies, but they actually don't really care that much, and they don't want to grow with you. They want to just be entertained. And so don't put that much energy, that much time to those entertainment buddies. Otherwise you'll be just disappointed because you expected something from them, but now they just don't want to give it to you. So don't care about your classmate that much. Don't care about the people from Discord. Don't care about the people that you just only drink with. They aren't your friends. They are just your entertainment buddies. And they're friends with you because you are creating a good time, because they can enjoy the moment because of you, because of that drug that you share with them. You maybe can separate your friends, you know, to some sections that, oh, I can talk to this guy with everything. Oh, I can only talk about football with this guy. Oh, this girl, I can only share what's in my town, you know, and what happened in the kindergarten and the memories we had, but I don't actually have nothing in common with her, you know, and this person is that and that and that. So you can separate those people, but don't consider those people as friends, because you probably have like 2 true friends, 2 if you're lucky. And so you can find out this by like the easy exercise, you know, I've done it. Just take a paper, you know, normal fucking paper, and then think of, I don't know, just the people you know, maybe 10, 20, I don't know. So you just write down underneath the people, you know, you have your friends here, this is like random names. Then you just have another column that is drug, then trust and support, and then fun. You can stop this and like recreate it. So the drug means the thing that you share, that you have in common. So for example, I don't know, I will consider John as my classmate, so I will just say yes because it's only my classmate and I know him because it is from my school and I know him from my classroom. Can I trust him? No, I can trust him. Then support, I don't know, maybe sometimes with the homework, but the real support isn't there, so no. And then fun, yeah, like he's, I don't know, maybe a class clown, so fun. And right now I have drug, so yes, then trust, no, support, no, and then fun, yes. And so if you have this, if you have fun and drug, yes, but trust and support, no, then it's not their, yeah, well, it's not your real friend, you know, it's just your entertainment buddy. And I don't like suggest you to like remove those people from your life, because you need in life some fun, you know, some entertainment. So those people, those funny guys are like beautiful to have in life, but don't bet on them, don't trust in them, and just don't waste that much energy and time on those people. Because remember that the best friend will always be you. Spend the most time, the most energy, the most effort, the most trust in yourself, because you have to grow. You are the most important person for you on the planet. I don't want you to actually like get for 100% the tap, you know, and this like exercise, and to like split your friends and to totally cut off of your life, you know, those friends, and just like say fuck you, you are not my true friend, you're connecting just with the drug, you know. And but just to have in mind that those people aren't that important to your life, and that there are many better things to do than put time and energy to them, and to like care about them, to try to help them. Like, I don't know, it depends on you how kind you are, you know, and how you want to help, you want to, I don't know, create better lives. But I think that you just will hit the wall with this. You will just try to help anyone, and then you will expect something from them, and then you will get nothing, and you will be sad, you will be disappointed. I don't know, it's really up to you. But this exercise is to just like decide, oh, this guy is not that important, and this girl is trying to help me, so maybe I will be kind more, you know, and try to help her with her problems because she's trying to help with my problems, but don't really have the trust in her, and this and that, you know. This whole purpose of this video is to realize that there aren't that many friends, on the planet, but just entertainment buddies that you share the one drug that you have in common. So as I said, the most energy and the most time that you should be putting in is your fucking self. Don't be a zebra, become a lion. And a lion, I have it write it down here, and a lion knows which lions in his pack are his true brothers that he can bet on. Bye, bro.